Luxury begins with a classic vintage truck, once a symbol of simplicity. First, the engine is swapped for a high-torque turbo diesel, increasing its horsepower and reliability on rugged terrains. Next, custom suspension kits are installed, elevating the truck for better ground clearance and handling capabilities. For aesthetics, vibrant off-road bumpers and LED lighting systems are added, giving it an aggressive stance. Finally, heavy-duty all-terrain tires complete the transformation, ensuring this vintage beauty is ready to conquer any off-road challenge.